Now the discussion of addition reaction. So if we talk about addition reaction, the very simple thing come in our mind, right? Addition means we are trying to convert unsaturated compound into a saturated compound, right? So when we talk about addition reaction means we are talking about convert our unsaturated compound into saturated compound, right? तो सैचुरेट अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड को सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट करना क्या कहलाता है? एडिशन कहलाता है, राइट? तो इफ सपोज दैट डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन एटम, इफ सपोज दैट डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन एटम, अगर कार्बन कार्बन एटम के बीच में क्या है? डबल बॉन्ड. इफ डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन एटम, then how that give addition reaction, then how they give addition reaction, right? So you know, if double bond between carbon carbon atom, then it means the compound is actually electron, the compound is actually electron rich. अगर आप कहोगे कि डबल बॉन्ड है बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन एटम, इट मींस द कंपाउंड इज इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच, राइट? It means if they are electron rich, then there always or maximum time easy attack of electrophile. It means there easy attack of electrophile because that is electron rich compound. It means that is a nucleophile. It means that is a nucleophile, right? So if there is unsaturation, if there is unsaturation, it means if there is unsaturation, it means there is high electron density, and if there is high electron density, and if there is high electron density, then it means they give preference for attack electrophile, right? तो वो electrophile को attack करने के लिए कहेगा, right? And in that condition they give electrophilic addition reaction. So normally our unsaturated compound prefer to give electrophilic addition reaction. If we talk about nucleophilic addition reaction, so normally nucleophilic addition reaction not takes place in unsaturated compound. Same like benzene, right? Same like benzene, our unsaturated compound also not interested to give nucleophilic addition reaction. Why? Because of high electron density. But in some special condition, as we have already discussed in case of aromatic compound, if some special condition, it means if there is a strong electron withdrawing group, right? अगर उस पे क्या होगा, कोई strong electron withdrawing group attach करेगा, तो in that condition there is a deficiency of electron, फिर वहां पे क्या होगी? इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिफिशियंसी होगी. एंड व्हेन देयर इज डिफिशियंसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, then the nucleophile can attack at our unsaturated compound, right? तो उस कंडीशन में unsaturated compound पर nucleophile अटैक कर सकता है. But normally, right, in absence of electron withdrawing group, because of high electron density at our alkene, so they prefer to give electrophilic substitution reaction. इट मीन सबसे पहले आपके रिएजेंट का जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल होगा वो एल्कीन पर अटैक करेगा. इट शुड बी क्लियर, राइट? तो नाउ यू कैन सी अबाउट इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन. वेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट योर रिएजेंट, इट मींस दैट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एंड न्यूक्लियोफाइल, राइट? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट ग्रुप होगा और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच ग्रुप होगा. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट ग्रुप होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियोफाइल, राइट? तो जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट ग्रुप होगा, दैट अटैक एट आवर एल्कीन, राइट? एंड बिकॉज हियर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैक कर रहा है, so it is called electrophilic addition reaction. So it is called electrophilic addition reaction. So in first step, your electrophile attack at alkene. In first step, your electrophile attack at alkene, and then they convert into this types of carbocation. Then they convert into this types of carbocation because pi bond convert into sigma bond, right? Because here pi bond convert into sigma bond, right? Then here positive charge, right? So they convert into this types of carbocation. They convert into this types of carbocation. Now the important point is either your unsaturated compound, either your alkene is symmetric or unsymmetric. Either your alkene is symmetric or unsymmetric. That is also important point. If that is unsymmetric, then there is a possibility of two intermediate. Then there is a possibility of two intermediate. It means there is a possibility of two product. But if there is symmetric alkene, then there is only one intermediate formed and only one product formed also, right? So either your alkene is symmetric or unsymmetric, it's also important, right? So now you can see, right? Now you can see, if this is your compound, right? This is your alkene, and electrophile attack at your alkene. In first step, you can see they convert into a transition state, or they convert into a pi complex. It means pi bond react with E plus, right? And then there is a addition complex or addition intermediate form, right? Then there are three possibility. You can see there are three possibility of intermediate. Either this E plus attack at this position, right? Then positive charge come at right hand side, right? And second case, you can see in second case, right? If this electrophile attack at this carbon, then positive charge come here, right? And third condition, if suppose that at our electrophile, group there is a lone pair of electron. अगर हमारे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल पर कोई lone pair of electron हो, तो then they can form a cyclic ring. For that required at least one lone pair of electron. Important thing is that there should be one lone pair of electron at electrophile. Electrophile पर अगर एक lone pair of electron होगा, तो then they can form a cyclic cation also. Then they can form intermediate which is cyclic cation, right? So there are three types of possibility. You can see either they attach at this carbon, or they attach at this carbon, or they form a cyclic cation intermediate, right? They form a cyclic cation intermediate. So this is about first step of electrophilic addition reaction. This is about first step of electrophilic addition reaction, right? Now after that, what about our second step? Once our intermediate form, then you can see in second step is a fast step, first step is a slow step, right? Second step is a fast step, and first step is a slow step, and second step is a fast step. So now you can see in second step, right? This carbocation easily react with the nucleophile, and they convert into a saturated product. So in this way, two-step mechanism. In first step, your electrophile attack at alkene, and then your alkene convert into a cation intermediate, right? And then that carbocation intermediate in second step, through a fast rate of reaction, convert into a final product, right? So this is about two-step mechanism of electrophilic addition reaction, right? So this is important point. Now after that, right? Now after that, you can see structural orientation. Now if we talk about structural orientation, then the important thing is that what about the structure of your alkene? If it is symmetric, then only one product form. But if it is not symmetric, if there is CH3 CH2 double bond CH2, right? If there is CH3 CH double bond CH2, so then that is unsymmetric compound, then that is unsymmetric alkene. In that case, right, H plus or Nu minus, they break into H plus or Nu minus. Then plus charge either come at this carbon or come at this carbon. If plus charge here, then they convert into this types of product, right? Primary product. And if plus charge right here, then they convert into this types of product, right? So there are two types of product formed. It means two types of product formed from unsymmetric alkene along with unsymmetric your reagent, right? There unsymmetrically, it means it is H and it is Nu. Both are different. So it is unsymmetric with respect to your reagent also. It is unsymmetric with respect to your alkene also. तो alkene भी unsymmetric है और आपका reagent भी unsymmetric है. अगर Br होगा तो then that is symmetric, right? So here CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with HNU, and then they convert into two types of product, right? So this is about the structural orientation. Orientation means either they attack at first carbon, or they attack at सेकंड कार्बन. किस कार्बन पे वो अटैक कर रहा है, फर्स्ट कार्बन पे अटैक कर रहा है या सेकंड कार्बन पे अटैक कर रहा है, कहां पे अटैक कर रहा है, दैट इज अबाउट देयर ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ अटैकिंग. तो अटैकिंग ग्रुप कहां पे अटैक कर रहा है. नाउ आफ्टर दैट दिस इज अबाउट देयर एनर्जी प्रोफाइल डायग्राम. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट देयर एनर्जी प्रोफाइल डायग्राम. तो फर्स्ट योर एल्कीन react with your reagent where one part is nucleophile and second part is electrophile, right? Then they goes in a transition state where bond formation between carbon and E, right? And once the bond is completely formed, then they convert into a intermediate cation. Right? After that, nucleophile attack. And when nucleophile attack, right? So then they convert, then their bond formation start, and then they convert into transition state 2. You people already know, जब bond formation start होता है या bond break start होता है, तो उस stage पे हमारा जो compound होता है वो transition state में चले जाता है, higher energy state में चली जाता है, right? So you can see when bond formation is start, right, between carbon and E, then this transition state, complete bond form, then that is a stable comparatively convert into a cation intermediate, right? And after that, once again, other bond formation start between carbon and Nu, then they goes in second transition state, and at the end finally convert into this types of product, right? So this is about progress of reaction, right? This is x-axis for progress of reaction and y-axis for energy. You can see y-axis for energy and x-axis for progress of reaction, right? So in this way you can see this is the energy profile diagram where two transition state and one intermediate. Here two transition state and one intermediate. You people already know about SN1 type mechanism where intermediate carbocation form. So it is same like that, right? It is same like SN1 type mechanism, right? The energy profile diagram seen like in a E1 type mechanism, sorry, SN1 type mechanism, right? So first this intermediate carbocation form, and then so there is two transition state, right? So this is energy profile diagram. Now after that you can see if your compound alkene is symmetric but your reagent is unsymmetric, or second case, if your alkene is unsymmetric but your reagent is symmetric, for example Br2 dissociate into Br plus and Br minus, but both are Br, it means that is a symmetric reagent. Second case, right, if symmetric alkene, so either symmetric alkene or symmetric reagent, both give only one types of product, and in that condition only one types of product is formed, right? You can see here, right, because it is symmetric, so either Br come at this position or this position, no problem, right? The product is exactly same. Either Br attach on this carbon or this carbon, the product is exactly same, right? And second case, you can see if Br2 attack at unsymmetric alkene, then Br either attack on this or this position, right? The product is exactly same. Right? So if symmetric alkene or symmetric reagent, then the final product is only one. It means like a stereospecific product or only one product form. But if unsymmetric type of alkene and unsymmetric type of reagent. If unsymmetric type of alkene and unsymmetric type of reagent, then there is a possibility of two types of product. So you can see right now, you can see if the compound like this CH3 CH double bond CH2 and that react with the HCl, right? So it is unsymmetric in their nature. Why it is unsymmetric in their nature? Because here CH double bond CH2, this side one alkyl group and this side no one alkyl group, right? So unsymmetric, and HCl also unsymmetric reagent because H plus and Cl minus unsymmetric, right? So then they convert into two types of product. Then they convert into two types of product. It depends on condition. Now you can see if they react with HX, then either H plus attack on this position or H plus attack on this position, right? If H plus attack on this position, if H plus attack on this position, right, then plus charge come here and they convert into primary carbocation, right? And if H attach on this position, then plus charge come here and they convert into secondary carbocation, right? So there are two types of intermediate. One is primary carbocation and second is secondary carbocation. And you people already know primary carbocation is less stable than secondary carbocation because primary carbocation is less stable than secondary carbocation. This is region secondary carbocation formed as a major intermediate or only formed secondary carbocation. There is a condition, but major product 99 to 90% your secondary carbocation will form. It means the product formed from this secondary carbocation, final product or major product formed from secondary carbocation, right? So there is two possibility, two types of intermediate form: primary carbocation intermediate and secondary carbocation intermediate, right? So now it means the reaction is regioselective in their nature. It means out of two, one is major and second is minor product. Out of two, one is minor and second is a major product. Now after that you can see energy profile diagram, right? Now you can see energy profile diagram here. If the reagent, so reagent when react with H plus, they form pi complex. It means bond formation start between, right, this carbon and H, and then they convert into primary intermediate, primary carbocation intermediate. And if H come at this position, then they convert into secondary carbocation intermediate, right? So there is two types of transition, this and this. You know, the activation energy required for this primary carbocation intermediate, the activation energy required for primary carbocation intermediate, that is high than the activation energy required for secondary carbocation intermediate, right? तो इसमें आप देखिए जो प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन इंटरमीडिएट है उसको बनाने के लिए आपको ज्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत हो रही है, जबकि यू कैन सी द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड, बिकॉज ये अगर पोजीशन है रिएक्टेंट की तो आप देखिए इतनी एनर्जी चाहिए, this amount of energy, it may be 5 kilocalorie and it may be 10 kilocalorie, right? तो secondary के लिए 10 किलो कैलोरी एनर्जी चाहिए और प्राइमरी के लिए 5 प्राइमरी के लिए सेकंड 10 किलो कैलोरी एनर्जी एंड सेकेंडरी के लिए 5 किलो. इट मींस if we talk about kinetic control, so which is kinetic control intermediate? So this intermediate, right? Secondary intermediate is kinetic controlled intermediate. Secondary intermediate is a kinetic controlled intermediate, right? And this is not kinetic control intermediate, right? So it means कौन सा बनेगा major, कौन सा बनेगा secondary बनेगा. It is very clear from energy profile diagram also, right? On the basis of activation, not only on the basis of kinetic control but thermodynamic control. You can see the energy of secondary, right, is lower than energy of primary. So if we talk about potential energy, तो जो secondary की potential energy है वो कम है as compared to primary. It means thermodynamic control भी कौन सा है? Secondary. So secondary is thermodynamic control, secondary is kinetic control. It means major intermediate is a secondary carbocation. It means secondary product ही बनेगा. इट मींस क्या बनेगा, सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्ट ही बनेगा। तो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट इज सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्ट। इट मींस अवर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, हमारा जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है वो क्या है, सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्ट। तो यू कैन सी द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट इज सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्ट, द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट इज सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्ट, और मेजर प्रोडक्ट इज secondary product, right? The major product is secondary product. Now the point come, right? Now the point come ki only secondary product is a major product, or there is some other possibility also. There is some other possibility. क्या केवल secondary product ही major होगा, या कभी primary भी major होगा, या कभी primary भी major होगा? तो अगर आप ये देखना चाहते हो तो then there are some condition, then there are some condition. वहां पे क्या होती है, कुछ conditions होती हैं, जिन conditions में आपका जो primary होता है that carbocation also major carbocation. How it is possible? If the reaction takes place in presence of sunlight and initiated by peroxide, right? तो अगर ये reaction जो है वो peroxide की presence में होती है, right? और HNO की presence में होती है, it means if they follow free radical mechanism, you know, if reaction follow free radical mechanism, then they always give प्राइमरी टाइप प्रोडक्ट एज ए मेजर प्रोडक्ट, राइट? तो फिर क्या होता है, प्राइमरी प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है आपका, मेजर प्रोडक्ट होता है, एंड देन दे फॉलो एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल, और उसे आप क्या कहते हो, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल कहते हो। तो एडिशन रिएक्शन जो होती है उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो रूल है दैट इज मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल, राइट? तो सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्ट इज मेजर प्रोडक्ट, इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल। व्हाई? बिकॉज सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटाइन इज मोर स्टेबल देन प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन, राइट? इफ वी टॉक अबाउट, राइट, peroxide effect, right? Peroxide, if in presence of peroxide, right, because reaction takes place through free radical mechanism, so, right, the major product is primary product. So you people already know about Kharas effect or anti-Markovnikov effect, right, or peroxide effect, right? So that is about not only peroxide effect but also other also. If इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अटैच एट आवर एल्कीन, अगर हमारे एल्कीन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अटैच हो जाता है, राइट, इफ एट आवर एल्कीन strong electron withdrawing group attach, then hydrogen always attach at that carbon which is highly substituted, राइट? तो उस कंडीशन में अगर क्या होगा, इस एल्कीन पर या इस कार्बन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अटैच करेगा जो कि बहुत स्ट्रांगली यहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन को विड्रॉ करेगा, राइट? तो बिकॉज ऑफ इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंसी एट दिस कार्बन, इस कार्बन पे क्या हो जाएगी, इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंसी हो जाएगी, राइट? तो मैंने क्या कहा, इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अटैच एट डबल बॉन्ड, right, then at the carbon low electron density, right, or that is electron deficient in their nature, and then H plus attack on this position, right? H plus फिर यहां पे अटैक करेगा, and then the major intermediate is primary carbocation. Then the major intermediate is primary carbon. You can see here, right? So it is electron withdrawing group. You can see here, it is electron withdrawing, nitrogen with plus charge. It is electron, or C3F, right? Electronegative. You know, fluorine is very electronegative in their nature, right? So it is electron withdrawing group, and it is also electron withdrawing group. If they attach at the carbon, this carbon, if they attach at this carbon, right, then they withdraw electron from this position. फिर ये क्या करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन को विड्रॉ करेंगे because of negative inductive effect. Because of negative inductive effect, there is electron deficiency. इस केस में यहाँ पे क्या होगी, इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिफिशियंसी हो जाएगी, right? And when here electron deficiency, then you can see Br plus, right, H plus and Br plus, H plus and Br minus will attack at this position, right? Br minus will attack at this position, right? And then they convert into this types of product, then they convert into this. It means H plus attack at this position, right? H plus इस position पे attack कर देगा, and then they convert into this types of product, right? So then the condition, if electron withdrawing group attach, If electron withdrawing group attach, then the product formed like this. Then the product formed like this, right? Now you can see other one point, right? You can see other one point here, because electron withdrawing group, so H plus. So you can see H plus attach on this position, H plus attach on this position, right? And then plus charge come here, and then plus charge come here, right, at this position, right? And it is more stable. It is a more stable position, right? Compared to this, right here, it is less, because here if plus charge come at this position, you can see if plus charge come at this position, so then you know already there is a deficiency of electron. Already there is a deficiency of electron. If electron withdrawing group, there is electron withdrawing group, and along with there is plus charge, right? So then there is much more instability, and it is highly unstable intermediate, right? तो ये कार्बोकैटायन क्या होगा, हाईली अनस्टेबल हो जाएगा. समझ रहे हो आप? ये कार्बोकैटायन क्या हो जाएगा, हाईली अनस्टेबल हो जाएगा. क्यों हो जाएगा कार्बोकैटायन हाईली अनस्टेबल? क्योंकि आपको पता है यहाँ पे क्या है, अगर H प्लस ने यहाँ पे अटैक किया और उसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, प्लस चार्ज आ गया, तो फिर यहाँ पे प्लस चार्ज भी आ गया और साथ में इसके पास क्या है, आपके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप भी है. तो ये जो कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा ना, ये हाईली अनस्टेबल बनेगा, right? And it is called less stable carbocation. This is called less stable. But if H come at this position and plus charge here, तो then because यहाँ पे क्या होगा, less negative inductive effect होगा. It means ये क्या होगा, comparatively stable intermediate होगा. ये क्या होगा, comparatively stable intermediate होगा. And if it is comparatively stable intermediate, if it is comparatively stable intermediate, right, so then you know that intermediate will form and their product is a major product. और उसका जो product होगा वो क्या होगा, major product होगा. उसका जो product होगा वो क्या होगा, major product. तो point ये है कि अगर secondary carbocation बनता है, if secondary carbocation formed, then that is less stable because same carbon positive charge and electron withdrawing group. उसी कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी आ जाता है और उसी कार्बन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप भी आ जाता है. एंड इफ दिस कंडीशन, इट मींस द इंटरमीडिएट इज हाईली अनस्टेबल. वो इंटरमीडिएट क्या हो जाएगा, हाईली अनस्टेबल हो जाएगा और उससे जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, दैट इज then the product is a minor product. जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा आपका वो क्या बनेगा, माइनर प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, राइट? और यहां पे देखिए, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप एट अदर कार्बन एंड प्लस चार्ज एट अदर कार्बन, इट मींस इट इज द मोस्ट स्टेबल, इट इज कंपैरेटिवली स्टेबल, राइट? एंड इफ स्टेबल, देन द प्रोडक्ट इज मेजर प्रोडक्ट, राइट? तो दिस इज रीजन why this is a major product, why this is a major product, right? So if electron withdrawing group attach at, if electron withdrawing group attach at alkene, then anti-Markovnikov product is a major product. जो anti-Markovnikov product होता है वो क्या होता है, आपका major product होता है. What is reason behind that? The reason behind that is stability of your carbocation. स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ योर कार्बोकेटाइन, आपके कार्बोकेटाइन की स्टेबिलिटी की वजह से ऐसा होता है, राइट? तो आइदर पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट, either Kharas effect, or right, or electron withdrawing group, both give anti-Markovnikov product. दोनों के कोनो क्या करते हैं, anti-Markovnikov product को देते. Now after that, next point of discussion, this is about stereochemistry of addition reaction, right? So if we talk about stereochemistry of addition reaction, so there is two factor. वहां पे क्या, जब हम एडिशन रिएक्शन की स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करते हैं तो दो फैक्टर्स होते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट क्या होता है, सिन और एंटी अटैक. आपका जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एंड न्यूक्लियोफाइल है वो क्या एक साइड से अटैक कर रहे हैं. इफ दे आर अटैक फ्रॉम सेम साइड, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड सिन अटैक और सिन एंट्री, राइट? तो एक साइड से अगर वो एंटर कर रहे हैं तो जो एंट्री होगी उसे आप कहेंगे सिन एंट्री, और अगर वो अपोजिट, एक ऊपर से अटैक कर रहा है और एक नीचे से अटैक कर रहा है, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एंटी अटैक, राइट? तो स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ एडिशन रिएक्शन डिपेंड ऑन टू इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. वन इज आइदर अटैक इन सिन मैनर और अटैक इन एंटी मैनर. तो एक तो ये पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सेकंड पॉइंट, व्हाट अबाउट कॉन्फिगरेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, प्रोडक्ट किस टाइप का बन रहा है, व्हाट अबाउट देयर कॉन्फिगरेशन, आइदर दैट इज मीजो टाइप, और दैट इज थीरियोटाइप और दैट इज इरिथ्रोटाइप। किस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है उस पर डिपेंड करती है स्टियोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ योर एडिशन रिएक्शन। नाउ यू कैन सी enter from same side, as I already told, right? If I talk about first factor, syn or anti-attack, it means either they enter from same side से आ रहे हैं, right? एक ही साइड से दोनों अटैक कर रहे हैं, either below the plane or from above the plane, right? तो तब वो आएगा सेम साइड एंटर। सेकंड क्या होगा, अपोजिट साइड, एक ऊपर से आ रहा है और एक नीचे से आएगा, राइट? तो एंटी अटैक, right? Or third is not specific, sometimes they come from right hand, sometimes they come from left hand, right? Like SN1 type mechanism, right? So there is no specific attack, right? Sometime from same side, sometime from opposite side, right? So then three types of stereochemistry with respect to first point, syn or anti attack, right? So now you can see, if we talk about cyclic attack, साइक्लिक कार्बोकेटाइन के बारे में मैंने कहा था, इफ लॉन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन एट इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, अगर आपके इलेक्ट्रोफाइल पर लॉन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है तो फिर वो क्या बनाता है, साइक्लिक इंटरमीडिएट बनाता है और साइक्लिक कार्बोकेटाइन बनाता है, राइट? तो इफ इट इज अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड एंड दैट रिएक्ट विद, इफ इट इज अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड एंड दैट रिएक्ट विद इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, और वो किससे रिएक्ट कर रहा है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल से रिएक्ट कर रहा है, राइट? If this is your alkene and that react with electrophile, then the intermediate is a cyclic intermediate. If the intermediate is a cyclic intermediate, अगर आपका जो intermediate बन रहा है वो cyclic बन रहा है, कैसे बन रहा है, because of lone pair electron with electrophile, क्योंकि electrophile के पास lone pair electron है, तो then one side is completely blocked, then the one side is completely blocked, जिस साइड साइकिल बनेगी वो साइड क्या हो जाएगी, कंप्लीटली ब्लॉक हो जाएगी। इट मींस न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऑलवेज अटैक फ्रॉम अपोजिट साइड। In that condition, nucleophile always attack from opposite side, and if nucleophile come from opposite side, it means that is anti-addition. Then that is anti-addition, right? तो ये किस तरह का एडिशन हो गया, फिर आपका anti-addition हो गया, right? तो इसको आप कहेंगे then that is anti-addition, right? तो if cyclic intermediate form, if a cyclic intermediate form and cyclic intermediate form because of lone pair of electron with your electrophile, so in that condition the product formed is anti-type, right? So it is called anti-addition reaction, इसे आप क्या कहोगे, एंटी एडिशन, राइट? तो दिस इज अबाउट फर्स्ट स्टेप। देन सेकंड, रिएजेंट इफ डाइपोल इन देयर नेचर, अगर रिएजेंट पे क्या हो, डाइपोल हो। डाइपोल मींस एक साइड उसका पॉजिटिव है और दूसरा साइड उसका क्या है, नेगेटिव है। तो इफ देयर इज अ डाइपोल, राइट, इफ देयर इज अ डाइपोल देन देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ आयन फॉर्मेशन। इट मींस जो इंटरमीडिएट होगा वो बहुत शॉर्ट लिव्ड होगा, राइट? उसकी लाइफ बहुत लॉन्ग नहीं होगी, राइट? तो फिर क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैक फ्रॉम अबव द प्लेन, सपोज दैट न्यूक्लियोफाइल go out, right, with negative charge, but because, right, it is a dipole in their nature, right, ये dipole nature का होगा, तो then they formed ion pair. It means एक केज टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा। आपका जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल होगा वो पूरी तरह से आपके इंटरमीडिएट से, कार्बोकेटाइल से दूर नहीं जा पाएगा, एंड दे कैन कम फ्रॉम सेम साइड, और उस कंडीशन में वो क्या होगा, सेम साइड से अटैक करेगा। इन दैट कंडीशन दे कम फ्रॉम सेम साइड, एंड इफ दे कम फ्रॉम सेम साइड देन दैट इज सिन टाइप ऑफ एडिशन, then that is syn type. Your final product is syn type. It means electrophile and nucleophile both from same side. दोनों के दोनों क्या होंगे, सेम साइड से। Now after that, longer life of classical carbocation. अगर आपके कार्बोकेटाइन की जो लाइफ है वो बहुत लॉन्ग होगी, if that is tertiary carbocation, then they follow SN1 type mechanism, and in SN1 type mechanism carbocation attacking group can come from left hand side, attacking group can come from right hand side. तो कभी वो एंटी टाइप